Hi, I'm Dr. Shankumar B. Patil, Professor, Savidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I welcome all of you for the video lecture on normal forms in the finite automata. Normal forms are of two types, Chomsky normal form and Greibach normal form. Chomsky normal form is one on the right hand side of the production, only single terminal or two variable. So in the Chomsky normal form, productions are given in the non-Chomsky normal form. So we are converting that non-Chomsky normal form into the Chomsky normal form. Whereas in the Greibach normal form, the right hand side of the production, either single terminal, terminal followed by any number of variable, maybe two variable, single variable, three variable, or more than three variable. So again, in this case also, the productions are given in the non-Greibach normal form. So we are converting non-Greibach normal form into the Greibach normal form. We'll see one by one in detail. For example, this is the problem. The productions are given which are in the non-Greibach normal form. So before converting any production into the Greibach normal form or Chomsky normal form, you should see that the productions are the desired production. The desired productions are one which do not have either epsilon production or the unit production. The production like, for example, S is describing only single variable on the right hand side. Such a productions you can call it as a unit production. Such a production we can call it as a unit production, and there should not be any useless symbol. For example, you can say yes describes a b a b c, and a describes a bar capital BD. So B describes A bar AC. C describes A. You can take B bar AA, and D describes so single A. Now all the variables are useful variable. Why useful? They are describing, their description is in the form of terminal. So you can take this, or you can take this is a capital C. So B describes. So it is also describing the terminal. So it is also describing terminal. This terminal. This is a terminal, and they should have the relation with the starting symbol, either directly or indirectly. So you can say A is having relation with the starting variable, and it has a description in the form of terminal. In the form of terminal, so such a variable you can call it as a useful variable. So if the variable is useless, so such a productions we can call it as a the undesired productions. See that before converting any productions into the Chomsky normal form, there should not be any undesired productions like a epsilon production. So you can take this is epsilon production, this unit production are the useless symbols. Okay, so it has a useless unit epsilon production. So before converting these production into Chomsky normal form, first you need to remove the epsilon productions. So keep the desired one as it is. In the case of the removing epsilon production, keep the ASB as it is. It is a desired one. Keep as it is. So merge this epsilon or substitute S as a epsilon. So it is a into epsilon into B. That is a AB. Okay. So here also keep in the case of the B. B describes SBA. Keep the desired one as it is and substitute S as a epsilon. If you substitute S as a epsilon, epsilon into B into A, it is a BA. Keep AA as it is. In the case of the A, so it is a BAS desired one, keep as it is. Substitute S as a epsilon, it is a BA. B, this B as it is. This B as it is. Next, so now all these productions are the desired productions. All these productions are desired productions. There is a no epsilon productions, no unit production, no useless variable. So it is a single terminal. If a single variable is there, it is called as a unit production, but single terminal or two variables are allowed. Two variables are allowed in the case of the Chomsky normal form. Even two variable you can see here, even two variables are there, but two terminals are not allowed. Chomsky normal form, on the right hand side, two variables are single terminal. Hence, some of the production, so they are not in the form of Chomsky normal form. Now, what I am going to do? So, I am going to replace this AS by X. Okay. On the X, on the AS, I am overwriting with the X so that I can easily transfer this into. So, X as a, I can easily transfer this X as a, see, X as a AS, X as a AS. And this S will be X into B. S will be, you can see here, X into B. And AB, it is already in the Chomsky normal form. So B you can take. So it is a one of the form is not in the Chomsky normal form. So hence SB I am overwriting by Y so that I can replace Y by SB. So on the right hand side of the Y production, it is in the Chomsky normal form. BA is already in the Chomsky normal form. AA it is not in the Chomsky normal form. So what you can do, replace this the terminal A by, so A by A base A. Any terminal are there in the production. For example, plus is a terminal, plus A is there, so that you can replace this plus A by the variable A with the base plus, like that, so that you can easily make out what for what variable you replace it for the plus, what variable you replace it for the terminal A. For example, A B C is there, so A B C all are terminal. So A is replaced by A base A, B is replaced by variable A base B. So like that, the C is replaced by, so A base small c. Terminals replaced by the variable A only, so that you can, if you are keeping this practice, multiple times A comes in the production, you can easily make out. So A is replaced for the variable a with the base a. So if you do like that multiple times, description is not required for the terminal A or terminal B or terminal C. Okay, so double A are there. What I'm going to do? So the single A is replaced as a variable A with the base A. So the second terminal A is replaced by variable A base as a A. So in the case of the production A, BAS. So this is not in the Chomsky normal form. So what I'm going to do? Replace this B, because see here also B is there, here also B is there. So I am replacing B by the variable called as a base B. So I am going to replace this by a base B. So a base B is replaced for, so terminal B. A base is replaced for the terminal A. Like that you can easily write. So even you replace the B by base AB. So only on the right hand side single terminal is there. It is allowed in the Chomsky normal form. So once you replaced ABAS, okay, B by AB, keep AS as it is. So here also AB. So it automatically get converted into the Chomsky normal form. Whereas this A describes ABAS, so it is not in the Chomsky normal form. It is not in the Chomsky normal form. Just you replace this ABAS by some other variable. You can replace this by the capital M, the capital M, AB, uh, A, S as a the capital M. Now A is describing M into capital M. So it is a capital M into S. So this is in the Chomsky normal form. M is replaced for M is replaced for AB into A. So this is also in the Chomsky normal form. This is how we convert all the right hand production into the uh, uh, only two variables. You take any productions, either only terminal is there on the right hand side of the production, or the two variable. Even the replaced variable description on the right hand side is only two variable. This is how we convert the non-Chomsky normal form into Chomsky normal form. Next one, Greback normal form. So in the case of the Greback normal form, again the productions are given. See that there will not be any undesired production like a epsilon unit production or useless symbols. In the case of the Greback normal form, the productions are given like this. So this is not in the Greback normal form, but this is in the Greback normal form. By making use of this Greback normal form, we are going to convert the non-Greback normal form into the Greback normal form. If you are able to substitute this A as a terminal A, that is A as a terminal A, ABC. So A as a terminal B, so it is a BBC. So A, B. All productions now converted into the Chomsky normal form. Only terminal or terminal followed by any number of variable, it is a permitted. Okay. For example, another example you can take A, BC bar A, and B describes AB, but this variable is different. This variable is different. Hence, what you can do, substitute B as a, so B as a AB, B as a AB. So hence it is a B as a AB. In place of B, AB has come, ABC. Next, you can substitute this A as A as A, B, C as it is, A as it is. Okay, like that. B, it is two variables. It is not in the Chomsky normal form. but A already converted into the Grebac normal form. It is a Grebac normal form. First time we substitute A as a ABC, A as a ABC, B as it is. So we kept B as it is. Second time we substitute this A as a terminal A as a terminal A, then AB. Now you take all the productions which are converted into the Grebac normal form. For example, in the case of the complex Grebac normal form, if the input is very complex, in general, I can write. In general, I can write, for example, A describes AX1, AX2, AXN, YN, Y2, YN. So it is a very complex problem. Again, in this case also, the terminals are given. This is a variable followed by terminal x1, x2, xn, and these are all the only terminals. Maybe the yn is there, y2, y3, yn. So all these are in the Grebac normal form, but these productions they are not in the Grebac normal form. So now what I am going to do, I will make this Grebac normal form in order to convert all these production into the Grebac normal form. First, substitute A as a you can substitute it as a y1. So substitute second time this A as a y2, A as a this A as a y1, this A as a y1. Okay. Next, substitute this A as a y1. So we are going to get the equation like a y1 x1, y1 x2, y1 xn. Next time substitute this A as a y2, A as a y2, this A as a y2. So you are going to get the equation as a y2 xn. Next substitute this A as a yn, this A as a yn, and this A as a yn. So you are going to get this equation. So in all these equation, whether you replace these A by y1, y2, y1 r by y2, this all these A by yn, the common is in this case the common is y1. So take the y1 common, remaining is inside the bracket x1, x2, xn. So in this the common is y2. So you can take y2 common, remaining is x1, like that. Yn common, remaining inside the bracket x1, x2, xn. Again, in this case, the common is it is like a R operation. So it is like a R operation. So in this, you can find the common is x1, x2, xn. Take the x1, x2, xn common. Inside the parenthesis, you can have y1, y2, yn. Replace this A description by yi xi, where I is equal to 1 to n. I is equal to 1 to n. You can simplify these equations like this. A describe yi, where I is 1 to n, and this replaced by xi, where I is 1 to n. So this is not in the Chomsky normal form. YI two terminal. So sorry, it is a Grebac normal form. It is not in the Grebac normal form. So in order to convert this into the Grebac normal form, so what I am going to do, I will bring the variable b. I am going to bring the variable b in place of the xi. So b is replaced for xi. Okay. So already this is in the Grebac normal form. This is also in the Grebac normal form. This is already there. A describes. So you can see. So y1, y2, y. I can rewrite it as a so yi, where I is equal to 1 to n. I am going to rearrange these Grebac normal form equation. The first one is A describes yi, And the second one is A describes YB. So this is in the Chomsky normal form. This is also in the Chomsky normal form. And B is the new variable. It is replaced by xi. So B describes xi. If the B describes xi, A describes yi. So you can we get this yib in the derivation. If B describes xi, you can expect. So B also is going to describe xib, meaning that so A as a yi form, A as a yi and xi. B is a xi form. You can find B as a xi. Maybe the different terminals are the similar terminals. You can expect the productions on the right hand side, either the similar terminals or the different terminals. So this is the expected one. It is not in the derivation. This is the expected one. So A describes yi, we obtain yib, B describes xi. So you can expect the fourth equation B may describe as a xi into capital B. By making use of that derivation as a base, we will solve some of the problems. S describes A1 and A describes SS bar 0. Okay, these are the two productions. They are not in the Greibach normal form. See that before converting non-Greibach normal form into the Greibach normal form, there should not be any undesired production like a unit production, epsilon production, and useless symbol. So they are the productions given are the desired one, but they are in the non-Greibach form. Substitute this A as a one time SS, SSA. Second time substitute this A as a 0. So it is a 0A, 1 as it is. So that now I am making the first variable of the production equal to this, so that I can make use of these two Greibach normal form in order to convert non-Greibach normal form into the Greibach normal form. So first what you can do, substitute this capital S as a 0A, SA as it is. Next, substitute this S as a 1, which is in the Greibach normal form. So you will going to get 1 SA. Then 0A as it is, this 1A, 1 as it is. So in the derivation, we introduce the new variable called as a b. So here also in the example also you can replace this SA by the capital B. This you can replace SA by the capital B. SA by capital B, as like in the theory. So SA by capital B. Okay. So now it is simplified to the 0AB, and this is a 1B, 0A1. So all these are in the Greibach normal form. What for I replaced B? B I replaced for SA, as like a SA is like a, so it is like a XI. SA is in the theory, it is like a XI. Okay. Expected one. B is expected one is a, it is a XI into capital B in the theory. So this is expected one. Expected one, that is a fourth form in the description. Fourth form in the description. But this SA and SAB both are it is they are not in the Greibach normal form. Hence, you can make use of these four forms in order to convert these two non-Greibach normal form into the Greibach normal form. So, in order to convert this into the Greibach normal form, first substitute the S as a 0A 0AB, S as a 0AB, keep this A as it is. S as a 0 AB, A as it is. Okay. Second time, this S as a 1B, S as a 1B, 1B, A as it is. Okay, A as it is, A as it is. S as a 1B, this S as a 1B, A as it is. Like that, this S as a 0A, A as it is. S as a 1, A as it is. Like that, second time, this SAB. So S as a 0AB, 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 AB. AB as it is. This AB as it is. So I'm going to write this AB as it is. So one time I am going to substitute this S as a 0AB, then AB as it is. Second time I am substitute this S as a 1B, so AB as it is. 1B, AB as it is. Next 0A, AB as it is. Next this 1 S as a 1, so AB as it is. So now you can see the new variable replaced. All the productions are in the form of Greback normal form. Whereas the productions, they are not in the Greback normal form. Again, as usual. So make the S productions are in Greback normal form. By making use of these Greback normal form, you can convert the A production into the Greback normal form. Substitute this S as a one time, it is a 0AB. So 0AB. So 0AB, or you can substitute 0A SA. So 0A SA, yes as it is. Yes as it is. One time substitute S as a 1 SA, yes as it is. 1 SA, yes as it is. So 0A, yes as it is. 1S, so yes as it is. Then this 0, keep 0 as it is. Now you take any productions, so they are all in the form of Greback normal form, either only terminal or terminal followed by any number of variable. This is how we convert the non-Greback normal form of the production into the Greback normal production. Thank you.